Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree Lynn here, and I'm here with a how to put on eyelashes tutorial. This is a really quick tutorial, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and let the video speak for itself. So if you are interested in seeing how to achieve on how to put on lashes, please continue watching.
So for lashes, I am using the Glamor Lashes that I got off Hush in the style 014B. For eyelash glue, I am using the Kiss Adhesive Black Eyelash Glue. I prefer black more than white because it doesn't turn gray when it's dry. So for that, you're just going to place that on the lash and let it sit for like 30 seconds to a minute at least, so it can get nice and tacky. So while that is drying, I'm just going to prep my eyelashes. I am using my eyelash brush, and I'm just going to brush my lashes upward so that way they're okay. And once that is dry, I'm just going to slightly place that lash on my, like right directly in the middle, so that way it's not too far off and it's not too close in on my eye. And I'm just going to place it on my eye just like so. And once you have your eyelash where you want it to be, nice in place, you're just going to, what I do, I just lightly take my tweezers and tap it into my natural lash, so that way it's fully stuck on, and that way I know they're secure and not going to fall off. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to brush them upwards, so my natural lash and the false lash are both flying upwards. So then now I'm going to place some mascara on my natural lashes so that way they can blend very well into the false lashes. And then, of course, I'm going to do my bottom lashes. And then once I'm done with that, your false lashes should be bomb.com, and you should have no issues at all. Quick tip, it is very important that you get the inner lashes in your eyeball, like your natural inner lashes, so that way they look natural too.
And so guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope that you got something out of it. I hope this made your life a little bit easier if you are just learning how to put on your false lashes. Please remember to like and subscribe if you are new, and new videos are coming every week. But also remember to never put your eyelashes on right after you put the glue on. You don't want to glue your eyes shut. But until next time, I shall see you in the next video.